Okay, everybody out there on YouTube, this is going to be part 2 of my diagnostic process of the 94 Ford F150 with a 302 V8 that is having a semi-no-start problem. Basically, it would start if allowed to set for a day or overnight or whatever. It would run bad, and then if you shut it down or if it stalled, it would not restart. It would just crank. So I just got done replacing all of the spark plugs on the driver's side, and of course we got more traffic noise coming. Yeah. Alright, so anyway, replacing the spark plugs, I started on the driver's side head. I haven't done the passenger head yet. I started on the back cylinder, the one closest to the firewall, because it's the one most difficult to get to. And this is what the spark plug looked like. And really, they're dirty, but I don't see a problem here. So that's the one that was right next to the firewall. This is the next one up. Also dirty, but, not bad, considering. This is the third cylinder up, almost to the front end, closest to the radiator now. Again, dirty, but not bad. But then we come to the one at the front, and I'm hoping that the camera is showing this, but look at how fouled that electrode is. Now, I knew that this truck burned some oil, and I also know that it has a sensor issue, or has had a sensor issue. I think it was the throttle position sensor. Sometimes when it starts up or under heavy load, it throws black smoke, so it's running a mite rich. So I knew this, but damn, the screen on this camera kind of bites. It really does. But this probe is just so, or this plug is just so blocked up. So I've got brand new Autolite copper core installed on the driver's side only. Let's see what happens. Just for shits and giggles, maybe, just maybe, that would be enough to make it start, replacing the ones on the driver's side. I want to make sure I hear that pump prime. Let's see here. Did I hear that pump? Yeah. Okay. Now let's see what happens. It might not start. I don't know. Oh, it's not going to start because the battery is dead now. Oh, lie. Okay. Well, battery's too dead to do anything. That sucks. Alright, but we got 4 spark plugs replaced, and that was a bit of a surprise for me. Didn't expect to see that. But then again, I've never touched the plugs on this. So we'll continue, and I'll have to put the battery on the charger. We'll see what happens. We'll see another update video when we get it. Thanks for watching.